Good evening. It's reporter Crystal Franks here from the Chronicle Tribune. I'm here to tell you about the leading stories in tomorrow's edition. First up, we have a child molester that was sentenced to 22 years in prison. Then we have a story about Taylor missionaries. They were donating their time during spring break to give back locally at St. Martin's. Also, a Genesis Place employee was accused of battery and they were fired, but no arrests have been made as of yet. And finally, the Salvation Army gave its volunteers a banquet. Find out what volunteer donated the most, find out who was the volunteer of the year, and what organization donated the most. All that and more in tomorrow's edition of the Chronicle Tribune. As always, you can like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.